Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. 5 best enterprise mobile application test automation tools. Some of the best enterprise tier mobile app testing tools available include 1. ZAPTEST Enterprise Edition. Return on investment, or ROI, is one of the most important things to consider in software testing, with ZAPTEST providing up to 10 times ROI in the testing stage alone. The Enterprise Edition of ZAPTEST offers a ZAP Expert working remotely as a part of your team in addition to any task automation on any platform and any schedule, all while leveraging state-of-the-art computer vision and robotic process automation technology. 2. Test Rigger. A simple automation tool with an open license that provides access for as many users as you want. A good way of learning automation, but potentially limited in terms of the scope of testing that you complete with it. 3. Perfecto. Perfecto focuses on being a top-of-the-line option for testers, providing access to new operating systems and devices on the day of release. 4. Test Grid. Test Grid is a highly flexible tool for test automation, embracing Android, iOS, and even BlackBerry as compatible operating systems. 5. Excel Q. A codeless tool that focuses heavily on automation first, with testing designed to automate every stage of the process in one single flow. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.